Okay, so let's check out our cabin. It's 12352. We are at the very back of the ship. So, there we go. Okay, come in. Oh, and that's right, you have to put your key card in the slot so that the lights and the air turn on. Okay, so we have a balcony cabin. So you come in, and immediately to the right is the bathroom. Okay, nice shower, the handheld shower head, glass door, step up. Yes, and the glass door swings out. And your combo shampoo and body wash and conditioner. There you go. And a little footrest there so you can shave and clean yourself. Okay, towels. So you got 1, 2, 3 shelves for storage. That's pretty good. Some glasses for water. Liquid hand soap there. Nice sink area. Oh, there's me. Hi. Yeah, toilet. I mean, it's a bathroom. Towels up there. All right, let's look out. Step down. And we did come in earlier and we dropped our bags off. The room wasn't quite ready, but it is now. So there is the sofa that does turn into a bed. Okay, and then we got the closet for storage, hanging, and then a lower hanging rack, and with a backpack over there. And then, oh, that was stuck. Okay, so slide that over. We do have another shelf, safe for storage, couple more shelves, and drawers. 2 drawers, and then a shelf on the bottom for shoes. Okay, nice big mirror, mini bar that is currently locked. We'll have to ask the room attendant to open that and empty it for us so we can keep our drinks cold. Garbage can. MSC is an Italian line. They like to separate their garbage for recycling and such. Nice little stool that pulls out so you can get yourself ready at the vanity. Over here, let me just move my bag out of the way. So there is the power situation. Looks like 2 European and 1 USB. That switch does the lighted mirror. We have a phone. Here's your rack for, they have like the menus and stuff for room service. TV, remote. There's the American plugs. There's 2 of those. Nice size bed. We came in and already, there's information, excursions, everything we need to know, how to go about getting your cruise planner, and already wanting you to do some shopping. Here's our 3 beach towels. It's Rick and I, and our youngest is in this cabin with us. So he will take the sofa. We have the bed. Okay, so there is some storage there on the right side of the bed. Okay, that turns the main light. And so reading lamp and bedside lamp there. Okay. Let's check out and see if there's any storage plugs on the other side. Okay, so we have the same reading lamp and bedside lamp. Again, that turns on the main light. And 2 shelves for storage. I'm not seeing any other plugs near the bed. Okay. Oh, and here's another switch. What does this one do? Oh, okay, so that is for the light for the balcony. So, I don't know, can you see it there? On, or off, on, off. There we go. Okay, so let's go outside. So you have to lift all the way up and slide. And remember, safety first. If you're going to open this, make sure your main cabin door is closed. and vice versa, so you don't create a vacuum and the doors slammed. So currently we're still docked in the Brooklyn cruise port. It is January 18th. We drove through a snowstorm to get here, so it is quite foggy. It is quite cold. You can see there's still snow over there. And over in the distance is Lady Liberty. Let's see if I can zoom. Oh, why can't I work my camera? Come on. No, I don't want to look at myself. There she is, Lady Liberty. Can barely see her through the fog and the snow. Okay, so here is our balcony. Nice little chair, footstool, another little chair there. So we have 2 chairs and a footstool. I mean, it's quite big. It's a deluxe balcony, so it's a little bit deeper, I would say, than a regular balcony. And, you know, we have the overhang, so that is nice. All right, let's go back inside because it's like 20 degrees outside. It is quite chilly. Okay, I'm not 100%. Okay, you just have to pull it really tight. And then it flips all the way down, so that is locked. And then all the way up is open, so you can open it. Okay. But it's quite, you gotta put some muscle into it. So let's see, maybe I can get a better view of the balcony. There, you can kind of see it a little bit better. So yeah, 2 deck chairs, little footrest, or maybe you can use it as a little table, but quite a nice size. So nice size king bed. Sofa that turns into a bed. The room steward will come in later and do turn down service for that. Nice decor. TV is right there, so central for everybody to see. Again, there's not that many plugs, so if you have an adapter for your USBs or whatever, I urge you to bring it. Closet is okay, not the best, but I have seen worse. Bathroom is very modern and nice, not spacious, but again, you know, you're on a cruise ship. You're not usually getting the large bathrooms unless you have a suite. So there you go. That is cabin 12352. And it's called a Deluxe Balcony. And we're right on the aft of the ship, so we will be able to see all the wake and the waves, and that's going to be pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and hopefully one day we'll see you on Down Our Road Travel. Bye.